Welcome to G-Tex Designs. In this episode, we will be building part 3-19, the boiler smoke box cover for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 3-19, the boiler smoke box cover for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Let's open up template MMGS. Alright, so this piece looks a bit simpler than the last one. Well, the last one was quite fun to do actually. So we do, let's see, 2 circles. I'll do. The other one's going to be 260. The other one's going to be 70. That's a surprise. Where did we heard that from? 70. There's no one there, but I'll do that different layer. So that's going to be, how thick is that? 6 mil. Each extrude 6. Mid plane and done. There we go. I'm going to do bronze this time. There we go. So that, okay, so now let's go top view, sketch. Now we've got a circle here, which is parallel with that, or vertical with that, but 76 across. So let me go to circle. Smart dimension. So center of that one to center of that one will be 76. And that point will be horizontal. And dimension of that one is 63. 63. Now it's got four holes around there, so let me do that one. So we did this on separate layer if you want. It's one of those personal preferences. It's gonna be construction line. That's gonna be 79. 79, and it's gonna be 4 holes. So first off, let me go construction line. Okay, delete that one. We don't want that. Thank you. So actually, before I do, let me put another center line in from there to there. Didn't matter, hooked up though, I just did that. Smart dimension. That's gonna be 45. Oh. Delete that one. Thank you. Let me zoom in a bit. There we go. What makes things harder than it should be? Okay, so that's going to be 90. Oh, that's already... Okay. Leave that one. That's already locked in at 90. Okay, that's fine. And 90. There we go. Now, this point and this line will merge. This point, this line will merge. Reason doing that, we can put the circle straight in there. We know it's in the correct spot then. Just makes it a little bit easier for us. There we go. And those holes are 6. So we've got 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. So circumference 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is equal. Beautiful. And 6 I said, didn't I? Yep, 6. Okay, so that's going to be feature, extrude, roll 1, through all, and done. There we go. That's that one done. Okay, so we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That might sound familiar. From part 318. Let me go back to 318 so I can see the measurements. Okay, so that is, so let me go to sketch. Go a little bit bigger. Construction line, dimension, that was what? 240. 240. Beautiful, right? So now we've got one hole here, one hole here, one hole here, one hole here, and one hole here. That one's the easy one. But we're still going to put a construction line in. So that one's there. No, I'm just going to cancel that and go this way. So one's top, that's easy. To there. There we go. Let me just delete that one. Thank you. Missed. That one and that one will be joined. That point and that line will be joined. And that's going to be, from that line to that line, it's going to be 60 degrees. So I've hit the right key. There we go. And 60 degrees. Oh, go through the holes nicely. Okay, so that's out. Okay, so now the holes are M8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this bigger? That way it's easier to grab. You know, easier to click on. Let me just make all these equal first. No, I'd have to try to click on a small hole. Equal, there you go. Done. And they were 8 mil. 8 mil. See, they're all done that way. Okay, let me go back to that piece I had. That looks like everything we need to do. It does. So let's go feature, extrude, through all, and done. There we go. So it should be, yep, all the holes the other side. Beautiful. So that's part 3-19. Boiler smoke box cover done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Enjoyed the episode? Click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Leave comments below. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.